Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, this is a food things video. I am doing a grocery haul and we're going to do a little cooking. It's 7:50 p.m. and I don't have a lot of time because I've got to go and do a live video for my 40-day love challenge. So we're going to put together a few quick things, but I wanted to share with you what I got for groceries. Now, it's the first of the month and this is a stock up haul. So I missed weeks 7, 8, and 9. So I got all 3 weeks. 1 week, I think week 8 was 5 cans of fruit. Week 7 was oatmeal or quick grits. We don't like oatmeal. We do prefer quick grits. So I got 2 of those. It called for 42 ounces of grits, but they had 32. So I got that. And then 3 5-pound bags of all-purpose flour. So I got that. That is all stock ups for this month. Moving over, I picked up 2 things of the almond milk vanilla. This is what the kids like. I like the unsweet vanilla. Alana doesn't like it, so she does never pick up what she doesn't like. 0 sugar chocolate caramel for my coffee. Spinach, I picked up 2 of these, trying to get in a little bit more fiber. Picked up 4 bags of this rice cauliflower. 2 Hot House cucumbers. Jaxon loves cucumbers. I like cucumbers. Jaxon asked for these wonton wrappers, so I picked those up for him. 4 pounds of tilapia, a big thing of shrimp, cheddar cheese for my lunchbox, Red Hots, that's for dinner tonight, carb wraps, the little ones, the 0 grams carb, Arnold's keto bread, that is keto friendly, 8 grams of fiber. Then the keto culture hamburger and hot dog buns, I picked those up. 3 things of the farm fresh grape tomatoes. We also picked up blackberries, blueberries, and strawberries. And then some chicharrones, crunchy raisin bran, sweet chili sauce. There's a recipe that I saw with some Brussels sprouts that I was getting Jaxon to try. No sugar added honey mustard. And then I'm out of my Skinny Girl raspberry vinaigrette I use on salads. And then this buttermilk ranch I'm going to use for the cucumber. And then the last and final thing I got were these Lily's chocolate salted caramel chips. I'm heartsick about this sugar in the raw. It was $7 and some change with a $2 coupon because I went through self-checkout. I was not being aware of my coupon and I forgot it. So I'm heartsick, but I'll keep it for the next time. So that is our grocery haul. And tonight we're doing, the Red Hots are going in. Jaxon's going to do some Philly cheesesteak, and I'm going to make some tuna cakes. So we're going to bring you along as we do some stuff in the kitchen. Everything here was $164. My budget was $70 plus $50 was preps. So that was $120. So $43 over. But, you know, it is what it is. So that's what I got. Alrighty, y'all. So I have in my crock pot, my small crock pot that cooks very fast, a couple bags of cauliflower. I was trying to make like some cauliflower grits. Anything to help when I go low carb, the problem that I have is not always prepping ahead and having filling meals. And when you don't have filling meals, you just tend to eat whatever. And so that's not what I want to do. I'm also opening up some tuna so I can make tuna cakes. So I'm going to bring you guys along for that tuna. Is the stove on?
Yes.
Give me that. All right, y'all. So I'm getting the tuna cakes ready. I'm just dicing up some onion And I actually needed to put some in Jackson's. He forgot to put this in his cheesesteak or his Philly cheesesteak. So I'm just going to do enough onion for both of us. I've already done one small one, but I'm going to add another one just so there's enough to go around. Is my favorite thing to use. Still cry, but job gets done. Okay, so that's 2 onions. Okay, I'm gonna whip up these salmon cakes real fast.
I need 4 large eggs.
4 eggs.
A teaspoon salt.
Okay, I'm gonna grab the rest of my stuff for these. All right, we've got our Philly cheesesteak. That's all done. That's just 2 boxes of the shaved steak. It's 100% beef. So that's all done. So we're gonna remove this from this pan so I can do the salmon cakes in here. Now we had a little bit of a snafu because I don't have mayonnaise. So we're gonna substitute some ranch dressing. I don't have sour cream either. Oven's ready. What's that ready for? The bread? Okay. Jackson's gonna put a loaf of bread in the oven. And then the last thing we're going to cook tonight are some red hots, just so we can have lunches for tomorrow. So between everything that we are prepping now and we should have enough for dinner tonight, and there should be some leftovers for tomorrow's lunches. Have some butter, please. All right, so I'm gonna go into my oil. I put a little bit of butter, probably about 2 tablespoons of butter in there. So I'm just gonna form cakes. Now you can make this out of salmon. You can also make this out of shrimp if you want it, but tuna is what we had on hand. So we pulled that out of the pantry or in the garage pantry. So I'm going to shape those and make them pretty good size. And we're using our big pan because we want to go ahead and cook as many of them as we possibly can. Now I've got some cauliflower grits going in the other crock pot. And you can have, some people would have like salmon cakes with grits. This is going to be like tuna cakes with grits if you want to have that. You can have that on a bun. You don't have to have it with anything. You can just have it plain. This was a keto recipe that we found. It's not set up so well, like it's a little loose. So you could add a little bit more almond flour if you wanted to. It's fine now. We didn't follow the recipe just correctly. We should have added a little more almond flour, but it's fine. It'll come together in the pan. It'll be okay. Next time, because we added, this is 8 cans of tuna. And we can still get a few more out of this. Probably 3 or 4 more out of what's left in the bowl. Because it's loose, right? We want to be careful. You can turn your heat down if you need to. Alrighty, you guys, I'm on my way to work this morning. I realized we did not show any pictures of the dinner because I had to run and go do a live video. If you're joining me for the 40 Days of Love, I'm one night ahead trying to talk it out and facilitate the next day's dare. So today is March the 2nd, and we're on the second dare. That is no negative words and do one random act of kindness for your person. I think I'm gonna grab, I don't know, maybe try to do sister's dishes or something. I'll figure something out for the kids. I haven't decided yet. But for dinner, I ended up having cauliflower rice with that steak, shaved steak on top, and then I had a bowl of cereal because I think only thing I had yesterday, well, what I had yesterday was 3 eggs with some cheese. For lunch, I had collard greens and I had a small salad. I had a few nuts. I had some pepperonis in my snack. And then for dinner, that was what I had. And my 4 waters. But Jaxon finished up the tuna cakes for me because I didn't have a chance to finish. And let me see, what else did we have? The cauliflower rice was done. I finished up the shaved steak. Jaxon did the tuna cakes, and he also put the sausages in the air fryer, so that's all done. The only other thing that I can think of as far as meals, we're gonna do a little prep this week, tonight actually, which we may try to film as well, of some things just to try to have meals ahead. On Sunday, I know we're gonna do a chicken salad, but I don't have mayonnaise, so I've gotta buy mayonnaise. What else? Probably a chicken soup, probably a chicken and rice ranch soup, since we're gonna have some chicken. My friend's actually bringing over 2.5 rotisserie chickens. She's also bringing broccoli, and we'll just have broccoli. I'm really trying to get to the point where I don't have a lot to do because I'm just, I have a couple things going on in the evenings that are hindering me from cooking. But my kids cook, so that's good, right? You train them so that they're able to cook. Meal plans are not my thing. I'm a spontaneous person. I'm like, oh, okay, hey, let's do this. And it usually works out. We do have some fish and we do have some shrimp. So we can possibly do fish and shrimp this week, which would be okay. And it would be lower in calories. We're trying to watch our calories. I'm trying to stick between 1,500 and 1,800 calories a day and being active. So today's a walk day for me. So we'll see how it goes. I know Alana packed a tuna cake for my lunch. I know I have a cheese block
I have probably some pepperonis and a few nuts. Oh, I had a little bit of yogurt yesterday. I had like, oh man, I don't even think it was a half a thing of yogurt. But I had a little yogurt. So, yeah. But anywho, food things, all the things, groceries are what they are. We just are not complaining about the prices. We just buying what we buy and moving on with life. Fortunately for us, we're at a point in life where we can afford to do that. Although I missed my coupon yesterday. That thing bothered my spirit. Because I'm going to use a coupon. Oh, and when it comes to a coupon, oh baby, I'm going to use it. Okay. So anyway, there it is, food things. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. We do appreciate you and all that you do and bring to this community. And we'll see you guys next time.